It is a very special weekend coming up. So everybody pay attention right now because it is Mother's Day. We have Miss Lisa Briggs. We are back at the Bruce Company. And guess what? Your mom deserves a gift. I'm just going to go ahead out on a limb and say she probably does, right?
Yes, all the moms you know deserve a gift.
They sure do. So Lisa's made it super easy. The container idea.
Yes. You can always get your mom a beautiful hanging basket or a house plant or something, but I like the container idea because you can personalize it.
Yes.
And you can be kind of creative with your container. You can get a cute pot, you can get a cool canvas tote bag,
right,
and then just fill it with some things that your mom would like.
And you can reuse this. I mean, look at all these things. So like nothing is wasted. Moms like that.
I like that.
They're very practical.
Yes. So we could do some spa things.
Yes.
We have this lovely little kimono.
Look at this. This is just so soft.
Some an ice mask, Bloody Mary mix, because your mom needs Bloody Marys on Mother's Day.
And then when that spills, she can wipe it up with these new dish towels. But then she will figure out how to get that out.
Or you can use a cute pot and fill it with some gardening tools.
Darling, a cute sun hat, new tools. These are awesome, like protection sleeves, so you don't burn your arms or get mud all over. You know, Bruce Company is known for plants and flowers and all those things.
Yes.
Your boutique,
it's amazing.
I'm always amazed at the clothes in there, the jewelry. Come in and get a beautiful hanging basket. Moms will love that.
And if you can't decide, or your mom is picky, then go ahead and get a gift card, because we've got a gift card special. For every $50 gift card that you buy, you get a $10 gift card on us. So happy Mother's Day, moms.
All right, happy Mother's Day. Come on into the Bruce Company and make your mom real happy. Happy Mother's Day, darling.
You too.
I'm Emmy Fink, and you're buzzed into Madison.